Hey guys, it's Alexis and welcome back to my channel. The major question that we're going to be answering today is if Shein is worth it. For those of you guys that don't know, Shein is an online clothing store that sells really cute and trendy items for an extremely low price. Sometimes they even sell bags as low as $8. Like, how crazy is that? When I first heard about Shein, I thought it was too good to be true. How is it possible for clothing to be good quality and also under $20? That's when I decided that I had to see the clothes for myself in person because I need to see if Shein can deliver. So my sister and I, we went on Shein and we each picked out a few items that we liked. My mom ended up getting something too because she looked at the prices. She was like, how can I not get something when the prices are so amazing? I also ended up getting a few bags. We ended up ordering 14 items between the three of us in total, and it came out to $189. So if you divide the total amount of items we got by the price, it turns out that each item technically costs $13.50, which I think is pretty amazing. The order only took 6 days to arrive, which is pretty quick for standard shipping, honestly. So these are our first impressions and unboxing when we saw the clothes for the first time. I already opened this. It was just this like cute little bag. How cute. It actually feels very like sturdy and substantial. So this one is a winner. Except I noticed one of the things is it kind of smells a little weird, the stuff, when you open it. It kind of smells like plastic. Oh my god, that's so cute.
It's a little indented though. This is what it is.
But I feel like it'll be fine once you fill stuff up.
Like, it really can't fit that much.
The handle on this is a little cheap quality.
Wait, what?
Oh, this was the chain belt that I ordered, but it looks kind of weird in person.
It looks extremely large too.
No, you're supposed to double layer it.
Around yourself?
Yes, that's what makes it. I don't know.
It could either be a chain on the bed.
Yeah, right here. Look, you can attach it.
We're so stupid.
No, because I was like, that's definitely not a belt.
We went a little crazy with the bags, but like, why not? If they were $8.
I will probably not be using these because I just wouldn't
this
wear
one-
stuff like this.
this
It's
one's
really good for
furry.
like posing pictures.
Yeah,
This is
that's
just, like a nice
cool.
like thing to have.
Honestly, kind of cute. They don't feel like Chanel, but like,
And they're a little indented from the.
yeah, they're a little indented, but like, we're gonna have to fill them up.
And like before, I'll grab a scissor.
Okay, let me attempt to open this without a scissor while we're sitting here because there's a lot of stuff here. But honestly, I'm very pleased with the bags. Oh no!
I would never. That was funny though.
Okay, this is like super heavy, which I like for the winter.
Oh, it looks
Cardigans
more,
are super in the season.
Like wide.
It feels good. It honestly feels much better than what I paid for it. So I'm happy about that. That was mine. This is like just like a mix. Oh,
This is
you
mine.
ordered that. It looks like exactly what you wanted. Also, we had
Looks
no idea
ginormous.
how these sizes ran, so we just ordered like a bunch of like mediums and smalls, and we just don't really know because like we're both like mediums and smalls. Oh my god, this is so cute. Look how cute this is. All right, this is item number 6, I think, and I really wanted to get this because it was really cute. And it's, again, super fuzzy. Oh my god, it's very soft. Feel how soft this is.
Smell it.
Oh my god, it smells so
We
bad.
need to,
I
like,
need to like
wash
wash
all
all this stuff. Okay, but the sizing is good. It doesn't look like it's shedding too much because it's like one of those furry sweaters.
This was
I'm into
supposed to be,
it.
like,
I
a
saw
dark-
this at Zara too, but it was like 5 times the price, and Zara is even like cheap.
This one I don't mind. It's like kind of a weird color.
I feel like it's very you.
Like they
I
have
picked
like the
that
knot.
up for you.
They have like the knot thing right here, which is kind of
Oh.
cute.
Wait, oh my god, there's so many just like black like
Shirts.
Okay, this one has a little zipper. Oh, this is my sweatshirt. Oh no, this is not the sweatshirt. Is it the sweatshirt? It's like a shirt. It's like fine, but like we wanted like a big oversized chunky hoodie, and this is like a long sleeve t-shirt.
This really isn't that bad.
This is yours, right?
Oh, zipper.
Oh yeah,
Long way.
I think you ordered this one. This is just like a mix of like shared stuff.
Oh, feel this material.
Wait, feel this. It's like,
That's like microfiber.
yeah, this feels like athletic wear. Okay, Bailey, enjoy this one. This is interesting.
This one too is the one. I didn't realize it was gonna be this material.
Yeah, I guess with like you don't really know what to expect, that's kind of everything that we just unboxed right there. We're gonna try it
Oh
all
my God,
on
wait,
and give
look
our
at
honest
this.
review.
So now that you've seen our first impressions of our Shein order, let's go and try them on to see if the clothes live up to our first impressions and the hype.
I have to say, I completely fell in love when I saw the picture of this item online. I could totally see myself rocking it with vintage jeans.
You know what they say? never trust a picture online. I was just kind of disappointed because this is like a major crop top, and I think it's a little too cropped for winter because it is almost November. So this one I think is definitely gonna have to be returned because I cannot go out like this.
Honestly, I'm completely in love with this blue fuzzy sweater. Blue is my favorite color and has been since I've been little, so any chance I get to rock it, I will.
Guys, I'm in shock. This fuzzy sweater fits amazingly, like to the T, perfection. I was really glad because I didn't know which size to order, so definitely picked the right one. The sweater also pairs with so many items in my closet, which is definitely an added bonus. I'm wearing it with a pair of black wax jeans right now. I was a little intimidated by the fuzzy trend, but if you're intimidated by it, pairing it with just a pair of black jeans really tones it down, and I think it's a great way to add this trend into your wardrobe in a subtle way.
To be honest, this piece was probably my favorite clothing item that I ordered from Shein. I love how versatile it is, and you can wear it buttoned or unbuttoned. My favorite way to wear it is to button it once in the middle. I think this looks really cute layered with the turtleneck underneath for winter to keep warm.
I really like the color of this shirt because it pairs with everything, but I feel like the twist in the middle looks a little bit like a lump and could have come across cuter, but overall it's really comfortable. This sweater is the coziest sweater I think I've ever worn, and I love the fray detail at the bottom. It's a little bit wide though, which is one of my only complaints, but I think this sweater is really cute and looks amazing, especially with these little corduroy green pants that I'm wearing right now. Now let's talk about the bags that I ordered, because I ordered 3 because they were all under $10, which is amazing for bags. First up, we have this black croc bag. It's super tiny, as you can see. I think you could probably only fit your phone in a lip gloss. I think all of the phone sizes would fit in here, but I have like the regular X, so I've never tried any of the plus phones. My only complaints about the bag is that it's a little flimsy and not that stiff, and also the handle is not very sturdy either, which I kind of like when I have a bag, but I can't really complain because if I'm only spending $8, then this is totally worth it. But it's just like a great little bag to throw on with an outfit. I wore it yesterday on my Instagram, as you can see right here. Overall, I think this was a pretty great bag. Next up, I have my white croc bag. Oh my god, I think this is probably my favorite of the bags that I purchased because unlike the black one, it's super sturdy, super stiff. I've never had a white bag before because I was always afraid to invest in one because they're white, so I was afraid they'd get really dirty. But when I buy one for under $10, I can buy literally any color bag that I want. I like the handle on this. It kind of reminds me of like the Hermes one because it has the little keyhole right there. It also comes with a strap so you can wear it as a crossbody. I like how classy it looks. It looks really expensive also, and I feel like you could just throw this on with any outfit and it will be totally elevated in style. So this was definitely a winner. So the last bag that I ordered was this pink furry one on a chain, and I have to say, online this bag looked way more expensive. It's extremely flimsy here and it just kind of feels cheap. I feel like this would look good on like a picture when you're posing on Instagram, but I don't know how practical it is for like every day. The thing is, there's like a magnet in here, so the chain gets like attached to the magnet, so you have to be careful of that. I think this maybe will look better when it's stuffed with a bunch of my belongings, but you could fit a lot in here. I just was a little bit disappointed with this bag, but I'm gonna keep it because we'll see if I can find something to style it with. So the question that we came into this video asking is Shein worth it? And the answer to that, in my opinion, is yes. I think that when you're ordering from Shein, it's totally worth it because the prices are so inexpensive and you can get some really cute stuff, but you have to go into it with a certain mindset that not everything that you order online might look exactly like the picture. You have to know that some of the materials might not be right and not 100% of your order you're going to actually keep. But if you go in with that mindset, I think Shein is totally worth it. Sweaters under $20 that are actually decent quality is pretty much unheard of. So in my opinion, when taking all of this into consideration, I think Shein is worth it. But if you want something that's gonna last you forever, it's probably not. I think that this video was a really good experiment, kind of testing the quality of products and shipping. If you want me to do more videos like this, more brands, let me know in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe so this video can be seen to everybody out there. And follow me on Instagram if you want to see how I style these outfits more and posting in these outfits. My Instagram is itsbyalexis. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I had so much fun shopping on Shein, and it's really getting me in the mood to do some more shopping. I love you guys, and I'll see you back in my next video.